English Book 2, Standard 2, Unit 2, 2.1 Birds Can Fly. Listen, sing and act. Birds can fly, up in the sky, and I can fly too, Frogs can jump, very high, and I can jump too, Ducks can swim, deep in the water, and I can swim too, Dogs can walk on the ground, and I can walk too, Horses can run in the forest, and I can run too, Bunnies can hop on the grass, and I can hop too,